Welcome, dear listener. Today we are stepping into Chapter 5 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This chapter is called Mental Healing in Ancient and Modern Times. And let me tell you, this is a very powerful chapter, because it shows us how healing has always been inside us, waiting to be awakened. My friend, I want to encourage you to listen till the very end of this message, because what you hear today can change not only your health, but also your belief in your own inner power. For thousands of years, people from different cultures believed in the healing power of the mind. In ancient times, priests, spiritual leaders, and wise men used prayers, rituals, and strong beliefs to heal people. Sometimes they used words, sometimes they used touch, sometimes they simply gave people hope. And many were healed. Why? Because faith itself has the power to awaken the subconscious mind. Now, in modern times, we may not see the same rituals, but we still see the same truth. Doctors, scientists, psychologists, many agree that the human mind plays a massive role in healing. Placebo studies prove it. When patients are given a simple pill with no medicine, but told with confidence that it will work, many of them actually get better. Why? Because they're subconscious. The mind accepts the suggestion of healing and begins to restore the body. What does this tell us? It tells us that deep inside you, right now, there is an incredible force. A force that listens to your beliefs, your thoughts, your emotions, and then shapes your body and your life accordingly. So let me ask you, what beliefs are you carrying today? Are you feeding your subconscious with thoughts of weakness, sickness, and fear? Or are you feeding it with thoughts of strength, health, and peace? Here is the key. You do not need to wait for someone else to heal you. You can start healing yourself by changing your inner conversation. Ancient people used prayers. Modern science uses affirmations. Both point to the same truth. What you consistently believe, your subconscious begins to create. Let's make it practical. Imagine you wake up each morning, and the first words you say to yourself are, "I am full of energy. My body is healing. My mind is clear. My spirit is strong." If you keep saying this, not just with words, but with emotion, your subconscious will take it as truth. It will send healing energy into every cell of your body. There are thousands of examples. People who were told they would never walk again, but they believed. They visualized, they affirmed, and they stood on their feet. People who suffered from years of anxiety, but they fed their mind with peace and faith, and they found freedom. So today, I want you to take this chapter personally. Healing is not just something written in a book. It is something waiting in your own life. Start now. Choose one positive affirmation and repeat it daily. Close your eyes and visualize your perfect health. Speak to your subconscious as if it is your best friend, because truly it is. And remember, whether in ancient times or modern times, the law is the same. Your subconscious mind is the greatest healer of all. If you got value from this message, stay with me for the next chapters, because your journey to mastering the subconscious has only just begun. And if you are ready to see real change in your life, then don't just listen, apply this. Speak faith, live faith, and watch how healing begins to flow in your body, your mind, and your entire future.